In Indian polity, we are going to discuss about Article 26, that is freedom to manage religious affairs. Okay, so there are so many religions in our country, and there are so many religious practices are also there. Okay, so religious practices are very essential and integral part of the religion. So first of all, religion is very important. In the same way, religious practices are also very important. Okay, so each and every religious denomination have some important rights. So first one is right to establish or a maintaining institution for the religious purpose and charitable purpose. Okay, so each and every person have the right to establish or maintaining such institutions for the religious purpose. Okay, so there is no restrictions on them. Okay, and the right to manage its own affairs. So after establishing institution for the religion, so we have the right to manage its own affairs. So the managing affairs is depend on the members who are established. Okay, so there is no restrictions from the state or others. Okay, so here own affairs means religious practices, rituals, ceremonies, worship. Okay, and right to acquire or own such movable or immovable property. So we have the right to acquire movable or immovable property to the religious denomination which are established by ourselves. Okay, and next one is right to administer such property. Not only acquiring the movable or immovable property, but we have the right to administer such property. So here, to administer such property should be accordance with law. So without law, we cannot administer such property to the religious denomination. Okay, so Article 25 is for the individual's freedom on the basis of religion, and Article 26 is for the denominations or institutions. It means we can establish a religious denomination. We have some important rights to the religious denominations. Okay, so state can impose some restrictions or obligations on the Article 26 if any violation to the public order or morality and health. Okay, and constitution doesn't define religious denomination. Okay, so the definition of the religious denomination came through the famous case, that is Commissioner Hindu Religious Endowment Madras versus Sri Lakshmendra Tirthaswamiyar of Sri Shirur Muth. Okay, so on the basis of this case, our Supreme Court defined the definition of the religious denomination. Okay, so the definition or meaning of the denominations taken from the Oxford Dictionary. Okay, so the meaning or definition is a collection of individuals have some common faith and the same beliefs and common organization designated by distinctive name. So this is known as religious denomination. So the statement which was given by the Supreme Court from the Oxford Dictionary in this case. Okay. So for example, Arya Samaj is a religious denomination on the basis of Article 26. Okay, so according to the provisions which are incorporated in Article 26, Arya Samaj is a religious denomination even though it is not a religion itself. Okay, so Arya Samaj is not on the basis of religion, but this is a religious denomination according the provisions of Article 26. Okay.